Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by selecting the camera object. Click it in the 3D viewport or outliner. Once selected, open the Camera Properties tab, that green camera icon on the right. This is where focal length lives. You should check units first so the focal length behavior matches your expectations, especially if you plan to match footage. Now locate focal length, usually in millimeters. Change it to begin adjusting your field of view, because focal length controls framing and perspective. You now refine the focal behavior. Type a focal length value in millimeters to widen or tighten the shot. Lower numbers give a wider field of view, higher numbers compress distance. Make sure the lens type is set correctly. Choose perspective for normal camera behavior, orthographic for no perspective, or panoramic for 360-degree renders. Once done, enable depth of field if you want realistic blur. Set aperture values to control bokeh, because this ties focal mechanics to. You finish by animating or locking your focal length. Hover over focal length and press I to add a keyframe. Scrub the timeline to preview the zoom. Make sure you view through the camera with numpad 0 and run a render preview to confirm composition. If framing looks wrong, check camera transforms. Apply scale with Ctrl-A to fix distortion or reset rotation and location. A key troubleshooting tip: if depth of field appears odd, increase sample counts and verify focus distance matches your subject.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.